Starship ignition. Stage separation.
Incredible flip by Super Heavy Booster. We will be intentionally shutting down. We will be shutting down one of those 3 center engines intentionally to push the limits of the Super Heavy Booster.
Chamber pressure's normal.
Continuing to see 6 healthy engines on the ship, 3 sea level and 3 vacuum engines still ignited as the Super Heavy Booster is making its way back down to Earth.
Doing some contingency that is planned for.